So good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I'm bringing you Throat 37 and sound the way you feel. Great. And it's by Silor, and what it does is it soothes irritation, quick protection, coats and relieves, fast-acting and effective, and specially designed for vocalists. And of course, I'm not a singer anymore, but I have singers around me. So I'm going to take it out. Let's look at it, shall we? How's everybody doing? Again, I'm doing fine. Oh, this is nice. This is how coach your throat. So I'm thinking probably give it to somebody in the choir at my church because I'm sure that they can use it. I can think of a couple of people, and I know she's had quite a cold, so that would be good. So anyway, again, this is Throat 37, Coach Your Throat by Silor. If you like this, leave a comment in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. And I will leave all of this information in the comment section. So I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.